WhatsApp to stop working on popular smartphones from January 1st in what appeared to be a setback for millions around the world. WhatsApp has revealed that its app will stop working on Windows smartphones next week. The announcement was made in May this year and the deadline has finally arrived, aimed at improving security features of the messaging app that is already battling with serious issues of hacking worldwide from the Israeli company. As Microsoft will drop support for Windows 10 Mobile in December of this year, the popular WhatsApp messaging app will also stop working on Windows phones after December 31, 2019. Because we will no longer actively develop for these platforms, some features may stop functioning at any time, the company emphasized in a blog post. It said, "You'll no longer be able to use all Windows Phone operating systems after December 31, 2019, and WhatsApp might not be available in the Microsoft Store after July 1, 2019. The app will also stop working on Android versions 2.37 and older and iOS 7 and older after February 1, 2020. However, all those affected from the decision could avoid loss of data by using some simple methods. Open the chat you wish to export, and tap on Group Info. Scroll down and tap Export Chat. You'll then be given the option to download the chat with or without media. Note the attaching media will generate a larger chat archive. Subscribe for more videos.